stomach is a J-shaped organ in the upper abdomen that's part of the digestive system. It stores and digests food and is made up of 5 layers and several parts. The stomach has 5 layers. Mucosa, the innermost layer that contains glands that release digestive juices. Submucosa, the second layer that supports the mucosa and is rich in blood vessels, nerves, and lymphatic vessels. Muscularis, the third layer made of thick muscles that mix food with digestive juices. Subserosa, the layer that contains supporting tissues for the serosa. Serosa, the outermost layer that wraps around the stomach to confine it. The stomach has 5 parts. Cardia, the first part of the stomach that connects to the esophagus. Fundus, the top rounded area to the left of the cardia. Body, the largest part of the stomach where food is mixed and broken down. Antrum, the lower part of the stomach that holds broken down food until it moves into the small intestine. Pylorus, the part of the stomach that connects to the small intestine. The stomach has several important functions. It stores food, mixes it with digestive juices, and slowly empties it into the small intestine for further digestion. Mechanical digestion. The stomach churns food with its muscular walls to break it down into smaller particles, forming a semi-liquid substance called chyme. Chemical digestion. Enzymes like pepsin and acid, such as hydrochloric acid, break down proteins and other nutrients in the food. Storage. The stomach acts as a reservoir, holding food before it is slowly released into the small intestine for further digestion and nutrient absorption. The acidic environment of the stomach kills harmful pathogens, and the mucus layer protects the stomach lining from the corrosive effects of the acid. While most absorption occurs in the small intestine, some substances like water, alcohol, and certain medications can be absorbed in the stomach. Hormones like gastrin and ghrelin regulate stomach function and contribute to the overall digestive process. Gastrin stimulates gastric acid secretion, while ghrelin regulates appetite. In this section, we'll explore the secretion of the stomach. Let's talk about gastric juice. Gastric juice is a mixture of several secretions produced by different types of cells in the stomach lining. It plays a vital role in digestion, particularly in the breakdown of proteins. Now let's delve into the components of gastric juice. First up, we have hydrochloric acid, or HCl. Hydrochloric acid, or HCl, has a crucial function in the stomach. It lowers the pH of the stomach to around 1.5 to 3.5, creating an acidic environment. This acidity activates pepsinogen into pepsin, which is an enzyme that breaks down proteins. It also helps to kill harmful bacteria that might enter the stomach with food. Pepsinogen is an inactive precursor or zymogen of pepsin. It is secreted by chief cells and activated into pepsin by the acidic environment. Pepsin helps break down proteins into smaller peptides. Gastrin. Function. Gastrin is a hormone secreted by G cells located in the pyloric region of the stomach. Gastrin stimulates the secretion of gastric acid, or HCl, by parietal cells and promotes gastric motility. It also helps in the growth of the stomach lining. Ghrelin. Function. Ghrelin is a hormone produced by E cells, also called ghrelin cells, in the stomach. It is known as the hunger hormone, as it stimulates appetite and promotes food intake. It also plays a role in regulating the release of growth hormone. Water. Function. Water is secreted into the stomach as part of gastric juice and is essential for dissolving and diluting food particles. It also helps maintain the overall volume of gastric juice and provides an environment for enzymatic action. Bicarbonate, secreted by epithelial cells. Function. Bicarbonate is secreted by surface epithelial cells in the stomach lining. This neutralizes any acid that comes in contact with the stomach lining, helping to protect the stomach from ulcers and erosion caused by hydrochloric acid.